Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. कशी आहे तुम्ही सगळी? I hope you all are doing good. आणि आता तुमकां जाय दिसान मेळटा न्हू. So yeah, I was little busy in my work. आणि आयज हांवें दाखय ब्लॉग स्टार्ट करूया म्हणलें. So we are all आणि आतां एक पार्टी वयता फर्स्ट बर्थडे हा. सो आमी सगळीं रेडी जालीं. हांवें म्हगे बर्थडेचो ड्रेस घायला. सो हांव तुमकां तूं बहुत दिसता. Cookie! Hey, Ronan! No saying hi! Huh? Hi! Hi, Ronan! Hi, Ronan! Happy birthday! Oh, bongo! Hi, Pima! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ronan. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. This tujas almazo. This bore kosheto. Happy birthday, Monon. Ugras kotau tu song. Sorkar korajazo. Sad galtai gaelato. So sachar disazo. Ason kelon sazo. Zolmato distuzo. Zolmato distuzo. Ason kelon soda sazo. Zolmato distuzo.
Thank you.
Ronan, clap.
Warm welcome to you all who have gathered here on this very special day. As today Ronan turns 1. Thank Almighty Father for giving us this special day. Ronan, you're such a blessing for us, to our family. I would like to congratulate Rixon and Rina and Rishona on their baby's first birthday. I would also like to remember his grandparents, Anthony and Emilia, and Rina's side, Rina's mom and dad, Raphael, who is not with us here anymore. But their prayers and blessings are always there with him. And I would like to wish you all a pleasant evening and hope you guys all enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Viva. Cheers. Cheers.
आज आधी त्याला
आज
खुर्च्या घेतल्या देव बरं करता फुल झाला पाच थँक्यू
Thank you, Viva. Yay.
Thank you everyone. Donations. Thank you. And everyone and Sogla, thank you. Viva. Chaya, blessing and Morpa, thank you so much.
Viva. Viva.
Let's party.
How are you, Shane?
आको मला
पहिलाच नंबर हलन बाप काढते आमचं
99 फर्स्ट नंबर
पहिला नंबर एंजेलाचा बर्थडे
1 and 3 13 1 and 3 13
मग मागच्या रे
बाबा 1 and 3 हा 13
सांगोल रे
बाबा जापेल का ट्रॉफी हा कोण जिंकता
दुसरा नंबर खेळाचा पाय काढता
11
Kate.
1 11
Kate, you have number?
Last number 88 and 5 85 बाबा होय 8 and 5 85 सांग हे लगा
या
नंबर 22
या
18 85 yes एक क्लेम जायचा असा राईट आणि प्राइज होता
Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. आणि आजही कोणा मग चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केलं ना जाल्यार बेगीन कराय आणि हो व्हिडिओ जातो लोकांक शेअर कराय म्हण हांव मागता आणि मग आसूं